into the Permaweb Part 2. In this short video, we're going to work through the vouch DAO and learn how to get vouched for the Permaweb. And then we're going to learn about the stamps protocol and learn how to stamp content using the stamps protocol. The stamps protocol requires all Arweave wallet holders to be vouched. So we're going to learn about Vouch DAO. Vouch DAO is a decentralized organization that's designed to allow for multiple services to vouch Arweave users so that when applications allow users to connect, they can be assured that these users that are vouched are humans. So it avoids civil attacks. And what we want to do is make sure we have a wallet. So we can go to arweave.app. And if you already have your wallet, you can skip this step, but do add and then create a new wallet and follow the steps. You can see the steps in a previous video, but we already have a wallet, so we'll use this wallet that we already have here, and we'll go back to vouchdao.xyz for users. Verify using Vouch Twitter service, so we're going to do that. So we're going to click on Get Vouched, and it's going to take us to the Vouch Twitter service, and we'll just click Get Started, and we're going to connect with our arweave.app. So we'll hit Connect, and we'll choose our wallet and hit Connect in the pop-up. So you probably don't see the pop-up, but we just chose Connect in the arweave.app pop-up, and now we're going to send a tweet. So in order to vouch, right now you have to have a Twitter account and you have to have a wallet. The one thing to note is the Twitter account needs to have been in existence for at least 30 days, and then it does a check to see that you are not a bot. Now, for some folks, this check is not, 100% great. So if for whatever reason it fails you in this step, then there's a help link that you can go to the Discord and ask for help, and then we'll get you vouched. So I'm going to tweet. So it's going to go to my account and tweet my wallet address. So I'll hit tweet. And now I can close out of that window, and I'm on step 3 for vouch. I'm going to give it a minute or two because what happens is when it goes into the Twitter search, it takes a few minutes uh, to acknowledge that. Really, it takes a few minutes for that tweet to be written to the search engine so that this app can find it. So I'm just going to wait for a second and kind of go through Vouch DAO and how it works. So with the DAO, there will be multiple services. Right now, there's only the Twitter service, but there's other services that will come online. And when you get vouched, it writes a data protocol to Arweave called ANS 109, as well as it puts that wallet address in the Vouch DAO contract. That way, both applications and smart contracts can determine if the user is vouched before functionality occurs. And that creates a layer of trust. Um, you can see down here all the future use cases of Vouch now, which is pretty cool. So with that, I'm going to go back to the Vouch service and hit submit. And fingers crossed, it will find that tweet, parse the wallet address out of that tweet, and register this user as a vouched user. Let's just let it run for a minute. And then we can go to talk about stamps. So oftentimes when we start talking about the Permaweb as a place to create content, we can create pages using Perma pages and other things. We can create and upload images or videos or PDFs, and we'll show more about that. But how do those things get discovered? And that's where the stamp protocol comes into play. It's an experiment based on the added sum economy theory, which I won't get into now. But essentially, it allows you to, as a user, to um, uh, stamp or show attribution to content that you like. And as a result, that gets bubbled up into aggregate views of that content. And one view is called now.arweave.dev. Now.arweave.dev lists all of the hot stamped content on the Permaweb. And this is a way that these things can be discovered. So we have this Zero to Arweave full stack tutorial, which was written as a perma page, and you can see that it's got 16 stamps. So that's pretty cool. Now, once I'm vouched as a user, I can go and stamp this document. So let's go ahead and check our vouch. So success, we have been vouched. Awesome. So now we should be able to stamp this Zero to Arweave article that we really enjoyed because it helped us as a developer get up and going. So I'm going to hit stamp, and I'm going to sign in with my arweave.app and my stamp user. And it's going to walk me through stamping that stamp, which is pretty cool. And now if we, kind of refresh this page, we can see that our stamp was added. Another way we could stamp is we can connect our wallet and we can go to what's new and we can see, let's see, into the Permaweb. That's a cool one. So we can look at that and we can just stamp right on the page here. Pretty cool. So we've got 5 stamps, and you can see when it's green showing what we stamped here. So not only do those stamps help drive sites like this to show content so users can kind of explore the Permaweb via this content, it also generates rewards for the creators. So every 24 hours, a minting cycle occurs and rewards are given out. And if we go to stamps.arweave.dev, we can see that there's been 677 atomic assets, a total of 1,043 stamps, and 129 vouched users. And then recent stamp coin winners we can see are the following content creators. So this content creator won 318 stamp rewards. And those rewards can be used to exchange for actual value, which is very cool. So we can go and view this image, and uh, if we really like it, we can stamp it, and that stamp will transfer as value to the creator. Um, and this is part of that additive sum economy theory. So with that, I hope you got enough information to get vouched and to learn how to stamp content. And yeah, it's super fun, and it provides value to the content creators. So um, give it a try, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.